Hello my loves, hope everyone's doing great. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Amy. I know it's been a bit quiet here, please bear with me. I had a little setback with the footage. This week's project is an absolute fave of this cover up. This piece was actually my best friend's. She hated the fit on her but loved the fabric, and we decided to transform it into something that will get more wear. The design technique I'll be using here is the upcycle and zero waste technique, whose full video is on my IG sketch series, so feel free to have a look. That I then transformed to this sassy number that I'm so obsessed with. The texture and stretch of this fabric is beautiful and quite flattering. I aimed for a simple and polished true fit, and I love how it came together, so if you'd like to see how this came about, then just keep watching. Because I had very limited fabric to work with, this had to be a true fit, so I traced one of my favorite stretch pencil dresses with the wrong side out and cut it out. I then flipped the remaining piece to have the right side facing out and used the first pattern to trace the second set out and cut it out. This fabric had enough stretch to allow wear without a zip, so I was happy to leave that out. I marked 2.5 inches down on the back set and cut it out. This will make the back fit seamlessly. I then took the remaining arm pieces and trimmed off the bottom joint to have one piece like so. I then split it in half on the long edge. Next, I proceeded to mark my darts on the dress sets. Because I wanted this to be a true fit, I marked darts of the back pieces too with reference to my measurements. I then proceeded to join the two front dress pieces together using stretch stitches on my machine. Next, I stitched the darts in place. I then hemmed the top section on fold like so and used stretch straight stitches. Next, I stitched the back darts like so and did overlock on the open center joint. I then aligned the front and back pieces and stitched both sides down using straight stretch stitches with reference to my measurements. Next, I took the arm piece we cut out and trimmed the ragged side, doing my best to straighten the strip. I then took the other piece and traced out a 1.5 inch strip that would be my straw strap. Next, I took the thick strip and sewed along the edge with about 1/2 inch allowance all the way down, then inverted it to have the right side facing out. I did the same to the smaller strap. Next, I press these two with an iron and water to make the press stay. I then marked and pinned the strap 4 inches from the middle joint. I did the same for the other side and pinned 3 inches from the side joint for the front piece. Next, I proceeded to stitch them all in place using stretch stitches. I then proceeded to do overlock on the open sides, and with that I was all done. Here's the final look, which to me speaks simplicity, class, elegance, and sass in one dress. Let me know if you feel the same, and also feel free to check out my blog for a write-up and photos showing this piece in a different eye. If you've made it this far, thank you, and I hope to see you soon on my next project. Until then, stay safe and keep warm. Bye, loves!